Hello and welcome back everybody. Yes, it's me again, that fella from Chesterfield, but you know who I am, don't you? Yes, you clicked on my video, didn't you? And thank you very much for doing so. Right, what am I up to today? Well, as usual, I've got my mate in the mirror. I don't know if you can see him there. Yeah, on his 350 Classic. His nice silver 350 Classic. It's a lovely bike, that is. Yes, we're plodding along at 350 Classic speed today. And we're in Lincolnshire. Well, we've just come through the village of Welton, just north of Lincoln. That seems a nice little village as well, that does. And I noticed a coffee shop there. That might be a stopping point one day. So, now then, I don't know how much further we've got to go, but today we're going to a motorbike shop. Yes! So this place we're going to, there's not much I can tell you about it till after we've been, really. I've seen it pop up a couple of times when I've been scrolling through Google Maps and one thing and another, and I believe that they sell second-hand bikes, and apparently there's a little cafe, and like I say, I'm not sure, but I think it's run by a lady. I don't know her name, and I've seen things pop up on social media about going on a travels on bikes. Yeah, so I'll let you know more after we've been. Oh, we're on the little back lanes of Lincolnshire here. Yeah, now then, the name of this place we're going to is the Little Green Dragon. Yeah, the Little Green Dragon. Curious name, but why not? Nothing wrong with it. Just an unusual name, isn't it? I can't wait to see what this place is like, to be honest. There's pictures on the internet of lots of bikers sat outside at this cafe having a drink and what have you, so it's probably quite well known round here, I don't know. It's out of the way a bit. Now then, turn left. And it's near to Market Raisin, and if it's not open, it's not going to be the end of the world, because not far from here is another cafe that I do know about. And what time is it now? It's 10 to 11. We've been going since 9 o'clock. Yeah, so we've nearly done 2 hours in the saddle, and 2 hours, and we're getting ready for a cup of tea, me and my mate. It's just about right, 2 hours is for the first stint. Well, that's what I think anyway. And then I'm getting ready for a snack and a drink. Now then, I can see a church tower over there. I don't know if we're going past that, maybe not. West Raisin, which is close to, like I say, Market Raisin. Now then, we're turning right on this road here. And the sun's come out. Thank goodness. Right, so we're not so far away now. I think this is it. Down here, Manor Drive. No, this is just a pinpoint to get me closer. So, silly me. We weren't as close as I thought we were. I mistook one of my pinpoints for the final destination. There's a lot of cars in this village. There must be a funeral on at the church. There's got to be. Look at all these cars. Wow. Must be a funeral. Wow, that's some church as well. Yeah, very impressive. Yeah, there's got to be a funeral. I just hope the dustbin lorry doesn't come, because he'll never get through there. Oh, there's vehicles everywhere. Wow. Yes, I should say so. I'm only guessing, but I'd say that's a funeral, isn't it? Must have been somebody well loved. Must have been. Right. Now then, dodging the potholes. Up here. I don't know what the name of this village is. Thinking roads are rough though. Very rough. Look at this. Crikey. Can I see the sign? What's it called? Oh, that's not a sign. Well, it is a sign, but not the name of the village. Oh, a bit of beautiful sunshine at last, eh? Bit of fresh air. Right, where we're going now? Round to the right here. I knew that this place was on a little lane. But it's a little lane I've not been up before. It's good just exploring all the little lanes round here without picking a place out like this. You would never come up these roads, would you? What is it they say? All roads lead to Rome, or all roads lead to a cup of tea. Oh, this is it. Now then. Oh. Now then. This is an unmade road. I wasn't expecting this. It's more like a farm track. Right, when I get on a smooth bit, I'm going to lift my visor. How's that? You can see me now. Well, my curiosity is now running wild over this place. Looks like we're going into a farmyard. No, this can't be right, can it? Is it? This motorbike's coming the other way, so it must be. It's looking promising. Oh, we're going to have to wash the bike again, matey. Oh, well, I'm on the wrong side of the gate. Ah, right. And we've come the wrong way at it, haven't we? Right, we're going to have to use the gate system, me and my mate. Obviously come wrong way. Alright. Well, we've found it. Look at this. This is nice, isn't it? Oh, lots of bikes down here. Right. Where should we park? Under the side here. Anywhere here will do, won't it? Alright, we'll have a brew and a chew. I come wrong way at it, haven't I? Hey? Did it tell you to go up there? Yeah, yeah. Come through the farm? Yeah, come the wrong way, sorry.
No, it's alright, it's the Satnav takes you that way around.
Yeah, sorry.
There's no problem. The easiest way is to come off the 46.
Yeah, yeah.
Because that's a bit rough.
Yeah, we made it though.
We like you to earn you two and coffee.
Right.
Yeah, so when you finish, the easiest way is...
Yes, we'll go that way, yeah.
It brings you out on the 46.
Yeah, no worries, yeah.
It's easier as well because the signs are up, so you know where to turn left or right, which way you go.
Yeah, right, thank you.
It's not a problem coming up that way, it's just a Satnav takes you.
Yeah. Well, what a smashing spot that was. Big thumbs up for the green dragon, the little green dragon, Mojo's. Yeah, that was smashing there. Yeah, well, what can I say? Yeah, second-hand motorbikes for sale, sausage sandwich, cup of tea. Met a couple of subscribers. Kelvin and Graham. Pleased to meet you, Kelvin and Graham. Yeah. I shall definitely be going back there again. They've got some second-hand bike clothing for sale. There was all sorts. Nice little place, just hidden out of the way, very quiet. But don't go in the way that we went in. Yeah, I took the wrong route. It was, well, I'm going to blame the Satnav. It wasn't me. Yeah, blame the Satnav, Kev. So, we've made our way back now through Lincolnshire. We're still in Lincolnshire and we're heading for Derbyshire, and we're going for our afternoon cup of tea at Clapwell. Yes, it's nowhere special. It's a garden centre actually, and there's a nice cafe on site. So we're going to make our way back there and have a nice cup of tea. Oh, this big dealership here, look. I haven't got a clue where I am now. Well, I'm just, like I say, I'm just following the Satnav. But as usual, I'll put all the road names up when I do the editing. A lot of people say they like to see the road names, and then if you want to go yourself, you can visit, can't you? You know. I know I watch quite a few videos online, and some of the people don't put the locations on, and it can be a bit frustrating sometimes, and you have to do a lot of researching and what have you, don't you, to find out where they were. But not on this channel. No, we try to be helpful. .617 Court. Must be near the where the 617 squadron. Ah, Dam Buster's Inn, look. I didn't catch the name of this village. Thanks for joining me again, and if you'd like to help the channel, just press the like and the subscribe button, and don't forget to join me again for another ride out to who knows where. So that's all for now. Bye bye now. Ta 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 ta.